How
Good
are you?
afternoon. I am great. What about you? Fantastic.
I'm also fantastic today, and thank you so much for asking. So I think we are made this application second time,
Yes, yes,
Zoom
yes.
through Zoom application second time. So again, we can introduce ourselves little bit about our viewers and our audience
Of course, sir.
know about. Right.
Yes, yes, yes.
So
So, shall I?
please, yeah, you can, yeah.
Okay. So, sir, as you know that, but for your viewers, my name is Preeti, and I will talk about my study. So, I have completed MBA, and I hail from Indore. But I'm not originally from the Indore. I am originally from a small town. This is nearby Gwalior, MP. And I will talk about my profession. So previously I was working as a financial advisor. I'm a mother of two kids nowadays, and I would say about my YouTube journey. So I also running my YouTube channel. When I start to learn this language, simultaneously I started my YouTube channel. Nowadays I'm giving the spoken classes as well. So that is pretty much about me, I would say. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for your lovely introduction from your side. Thank you. So quickly, I will also introduce myself so that you know and my viewers also know about me. So as you know, my name is Harun Rashid. I am from Gujarat. I am connecting with you from Vadodara. And by profession, I am in the sales and business development. Last more than 11 years in this organization. I am taking care of entire Western region. And yeah, now I am improving my communication, enhance my communication skill for my job. This is my need of job. So for that reason, I start to polish my English communication. Yeah,
Great to know here
yeah,
about you.
that's pretty much about.
Everyone is learning this language nowadays. So this is the opportunity, I would say. So why that way we are interacting to each other, right? Thank you so much,
Right.
sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. So I think we will
So
discuss about something else or topic like that. It's not a topic actually. It's a new generation era.
yes. We can just question answer topic. We can choose. So you can ask me any question. I will fulfill to answer those questions.
Okay, okay, definitely. So shall I ask? Shall I start to rapid fire on you? Are you ready for
Yeah,
that?
sure. Right.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Thank you.
So I would like to ask about a Gen Z generation. Why does the younger generation prefer to a business, not for the job? So what do you think about that?
Yeah, this is good question and it's a valid question for according to me. But yeah, I'm also the same relevant to younger generation. Yeah, they can start new their businesses and this is good opportunity to start very young age so that they can reach a certain age, stable business in
Yes.
at this stable start business in certain age of time. So this is good thing. And yes, and with the, in business there is a lot of opportunity opens for everyone. So if it is choose any specific business, so somebody who can work on at least minimum 3 years for that business, they can grow. Definitely they can grow, but there is some consistency and discipline, hard work. These things, three factor is most important in business, and we cannot get immediate result from our
Right.
business. We have to be work upon it. We work hard and some have patience because business is a deep ocean. We cannot grow in overnight or short period of time.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's from my side little bit.
You are absolutely correct because if you are doing any kind of business, so you should be consistent, patience, and you have to be disciplined for about your business. And without patience, I think nobody will grow their business. Because I think
Right.
initially when anyone is starting their own business, so they are not getting immediate result, and they have to be patient. Because if you are not patient, so you quit all your business journey. So now we will talk about why Gen Z generation is more interested in the business, because they think if they are doing the job, so like nowadays job is too much hectic in a private sector. Government also they are
Yeah.
giving the too much work, instead of that earlier time. But nowadays, like if you go for the private sector, so I have heard that many people like who are from the IT sector, who are doing in software job, they are just quit their job because they are thinking there is too much hectic pressure and they can't manage all the house things like their family also. So that is why they think if they
Right.
are running their own business, so there is has their
Hmm.
own entity, as well as they get the freedom also, liberty. So if you
Right.
are doing any kind of business, so you get the liberty. But if you are doing the business job is for someone, so you are growing to the other people, you are not growing
Yeah.
yourself. You are getting the money, but you are not growing yourself, you are growing the other company. So that is why like some
Yeah.
Gen Z generation, they were thinking now they have to start the business. Yeah, definitely they should start their business, but they have to choose the niche also. Like I have heard that one guy or two guy, they just opened their own company and they started their own business. They have completed their education in IT. It's I
Okay.
forget of the like higher education. It's IT in the
Okay.
NEET JET. I forget the name. So IIT qualified,
Okay.
and they started their
Thank you.
own company, and they are running their
Mm-hmm.
own business. So why they quit their job? I have heard that so many young generation, they also they start their own business as a YouTuber, and they create they just teaching to the people. So they think like if they are growing their own business, so they are just quitting their higher package job also. They was thinking if they
Right.
are creating their own business, then they can create more opportunity to others, as well as they can create more value in their self. That is why. So I think that is also the good
Right.
idea for Gen Z generation, but they should get some experience from some exposure from the company. Then they definitely go for the business. If you are not getting the exposure from somewhere, so how would you get to know about the business? What is the need of the business and what is the criteria of the business? How to handle all the things? So how to
Yeah.
know the hierarchy also, for learning the new things, for learning the hierarchy, how to company run, and
Mm.
what is the need of the company, what is the how many employees
Yeah.
should be there, what is the profit and loss will be there. So for that, at
Mm.
least 1 year you have to spend some company and get some exposure. Then you should go for any
Yeah.
kind of business and any kind of niche, whatever is your qualification, what is your profession. Then
Exactly.
according to that you have to start your own business. So I would say about that.
No, obviously, I completely agree and resonate with you. No, somebody who has started the business, and I think I would suggest to fresher and the just pass out from the colleges. They all are learn something in any other organization at least three
Right.
years or
Yes.
4 years, 5 years, according to. They can get knowledge from that process, business process,
Right.
and start from the ground level. They can work ground level and understand the business process entirely, and they can then only can they jump into, because blindly jump into the business
It's
just
not a
like
good thing.
without yes, without training swimming we can jump in the pool,
Yes.
not possible, we can drown. So before you jump anything, any business or whatever, we have
Yeah.
to some, yeah, a strong solid knowledge about that business, and we have to learn the process of business, their customer base, accounting,
Right.
marketing, purchase,
Everything.
everything we learn. Yeah.
Absolutely correct. So it's depend on the niche also. Like it's depend on which field you are working. Wait,
Yeah.
but 15 minutes. Yes. Okay, sir.
So yeah.
So you should cut that
So
this
yes.
part. If you can edit this video, so you can cut that part.
No, no, you. No issue. So
Okay.
yes, that's it from my side. Because now young generation are more enthusiastic to start a business, and
Yes.
they are grow fast in business without
Right.
without
Yeah.
any hard work or any no patience. They immediately finding the result from the business and grow. as early as possible.
So
So which
because
is
of
not
that, sir, sorry for interrupt you. Because of that, they are getting they born with the technology. Actually, we are not born
yes,
from the technology. We learn
yes,
technology nowadays, and they learn technology
yes,
by the birth. Like when they getting the birth, they
correct.
are using the mobile. They know the everything, but we are not knowing. So that is why we have to learn, because we knows that like
Yes,
if you are running any business, so we have a we get to know about the mobile technology, what we have to use for software. So they have to get knowledge vast from instead of that us, that is why.
correct. True, exactly. That's absolutely correct. But yes, business is the best thing for every new generation. They can start, but before they start, they learn something about that business. And yes, I'm because we are after complete of my 20 years of career in job, I'm also enthusiastic to start my own business.
Yeah,
But at the certain period or a certain age of period, so we cannot jump without any
right.
support and without yeah, we have to be solid,
Yes.
calculative risk taking in our business, and we have some back support
Yeah.
from our work. So it is a very essential part in our new started business
So we have to figure it
thinking
out
mind.
everything, I would say. Like if you are not figuring it out anything, then you will not get the return also. So I think
Return out.
we have a one more question also. It's about to the
Yeah.
YouTube journey. Nowadays, many childrens like when they just become like adult, or like when they will be younger, like it's 14 or 15 year also student. Yesterday
Yes,
actually
yes.
I go through a one video. So there is a one girl.
Yeah.
She is almost 10 year. She create actually her
Okay.
parent is handling their YouTube channel, but she create the video about to the English. So you can see how small children also create the content on the YouTube channel, and they are growing. She have a million subscriber, I would say.
Oh
So
my, it's a
how is
great
it?
achievement.
Yes, so that time I was thinking, okay, that is the great opportunity. Like if you have any children or somewhere some person is also there, so we have to encourage them so that way they also learn new things. So like, what do you think about to the YouTube journey? Like people should start their YouTube channel as a full time career or a part time career. It's part time hustle or
No,
full time
absolutely.
hustle.
No, obviously, YouTube journey is the biggest, I think, biggest opportunity for each and every person, not only for adult. It's a journey for students and no underage group as well. They are also working on it, and they are all are earning money, good amount of money
Yeah,
from YouTube. So we can use as a career, but at the same time, we have to complete education first,
yeah,
because without education, children are not complete sustain their entire life through YouTube.
right.
Because now every 2 years, YouTube is upgrading. Not only YouTube, every technology is upgrading
Yes,
every 1 2 years. Even our handset is also upgrading every one
yeah,
year. So
right.
now this is the new technologies point of view. We have to be upgrade ourselves at the same time,
Absolutely
because
correct.
the one method is not sustained for longer period of time, and that is the reason I also started small YouTube channel where I can upload conversational video for my own learning purpose. This
Yeah,
is my intention to start YouTube channel is my improvement of learning this language, and I'm so happy to start my YouTube channel where I gain a lot of confidence to talk with more than 16 YouTubers, and
that's great.
you are the one of
Thank you so much.
also.
I think it's a
Thank
great
you.
opportunity
Thank
for me. So
Yes,
I will be become a
thank
part
you.
of your channel. That's great, sir.
Yes, thank
So yeah, I would I would say about to the YouTube. So like who are starting their YouTube channel. So I think that should be the part-time hustle, not for full-time hustle. If you are a beginner,
you.
because if you are using, you are thinking like you will be become a YouTuber, and you start to using the whole day, entire day, you just stuck in that. So there is not sustainability, and there is no
Right.
guaranteed, I would say.
Yes,
Because if you are waiting
yes,
like yeah, it will be monetized within a 1 year or 3 year, we don't know. So we have to work, but
Right.
as a side hustle, you have to start your journey as a
Right.
YouTuber journey, but
Absolutely.
not full time. You should start another work also. So that way, like you are not feeling stuck, and you are not be impatient also. Some people, when they are starting their YouTube journey, that time they are very motivated. I also motivated when I
Yes.
start to learn this language. I also created my channel, but moreover the time I was thinking, I think it's kind of monotonous, and we are not getting the earning, and we have to give the time also. So for that,
Right.
I think everyone should start, but it's a side hustle, not full time. If you are starting your journey, when it will be work, then you think over it. You should start for full time. Then you are getting some earning from there. So that is the great way
Yes.
for starting your YouTube channel. If you are stucking in the full time YouTuber, I think that is not the great way to start a YouTube channel, because sometimes you will be a impatience in YouTube journey also, because that will not monetize is as well as early. So that is why we have to start to some other earning sources also. If it will be work, then you should be continuing this that.
Yes, I do agree with you, because we cannot, as a career, we are start YouTube channel, so you have some back end support for your
Yes,
financial back end,
right. You
and
are earning
then
somewhere.
only
If you are
yes, yes,
earning
we
somewhere,
have.
so you are not hectic. You are not taking a hectic like it's working or not. If not work now,
Mhm.
then you think, okay, we are getting earning somewhere also. So there is no need to take a pressurize to our mind.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. We don't need to be pressurize our for work, and even our if we are thinking about our earning from YouTube, so it would be not work for us. We
Yeah.
have some other side income, side hustle income, a
Yes.
strong hustle, so that would be better for to sustain our life, our
Otherwise,
family, because
everyone should quit their journey as a YouTuber. I have seen many YouTubers, they start their own journey, but when they are not getting earning, their channel is not monetized, so they just quit their journey. But everyone should
right,
start their YouTube journey, but not full time. If you are
correct,
starting as a full time, then you will
yeah,
get impatience. For become a patience
yes,
and for consistent, you should start earning from other sources also. Then you can start
true,
the yeah, and you can start the why people want to start for the monetize your channel, for the earning. I think many people, they are doing the affiliate marketing also. So they are just
yes,
putting the product also over there, and link over
correct,
there, and then you are getting the earning.
right,
So why people are doing? So there are so many sources for earning purpose, but you should be
right.
consistent and patience also. If you are not doing,
Yes.
then it will not grow.
Right. No, obviously, yeah, I agree. I completely agree with you. This is the best way to start our YouTube journey. And now everybody is doing the same format. I
Yes,
think more than 100 YouTubers are creating such content. Right.
yes, yes,
Okay, ma'am. If you have, we can round up this session.
yes, 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 yes. Actually, someone is coming at my home. Sorry for the
Yeah, yeah.
inconvenience.
So, yeah, I
Definitely, we
can
will connect you
understand.
soon.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Thank you,
sir.
ma'am. And if
Thank you.
this
Uh,
record, please share,
yes,
send
yes,
it
yes.
to. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Bye, bye.
Okay, bye, bye.